Now, you've got a point to a certain extent here. The thing is, look at it like this. A charity, a solicitor, a social worker that's working the best interest of the children are faced with a parent saying that a child is in danger from another parent. The best interests of the child are their main consideration. You may scoff at that. And they will work on the principle that the person sitting in front of them is child focused and telling the truth. So if you look at it like that, if a child is in mortal danger or in serious danger, absolutely stopping contact can be the best thing that can happen. It's important to say that without a court order, if you restrict a relationship between a child and a parent, perhaps PR for that child, you are acting without legal basis. That said, if the court is convinced that the child was in danger and the parent that's stopping contact is safeguarding them, they're not going to be too worried about you acting without legal basis, because the best interests of the child are paramount. Sometimes people will stop contact without legal basis and do nothing because, hey, what's the other parent going to do? They're going to have to make an application. It's going to be the time, the money and the expense of the parent that wants to change the arrangement that the parent that has a child has put in place. You could be cynical and say that the parent that just stops contact could and should, in theory, be making an application for an order of no contact, which is true, but it doesn't work like that. So what do you do if you're the parent who has stopped seeing your child? You've been denied a relationship with your child. Well, that's what I'm here for. You're going to have to make an application, and if it's clear that's the only option, don't hang around. Try and avoid court, but as you'll see in my previous TikTok, if you've got to go to court, get a move on, get to court, get it resolved. Don't let the parent that's stopping contact be able to say, well, the children have not seen you for 9 months now, they're settled really well without you, so perhaps you should have no contact, or at most an hour a week in a contact centre until we are sure that the children want contact, or something like that. I've seen it a million times before. I hope that helps.